Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many people looking to navigate U.S. immigration law, the process for the widow or widower of a U.S. citizen. This is a route that allows surviving spouses to continue living in the United States after the loss of their partner, and it comes with specific requirements, benefits, and steps that you need to know. Understanding this process can be a lifeline for families trying to stay together during difficult times. First, let's talk about who qualifies. To be eligible as a widow or widower, you must have been legally married to a U.S. citizen at the time of their death. The marriage needs to be recognized as valid under U.S. law. It's also important to note that this route is specifically for spouses, so fiancés, domestic partners, or other family members do not qualify under this category. Next, let's cover the timing aspect. The surviving spouse must apply within 2 years of the U.S. citizen spouse's death. This timeline is strict, and missing it can create significant hurdles in your immigration process. It's also worth noting that applicants need to show that they entered the marriage in good faith. This means the marriage wasn't just for immigration benefits, but was a genuine relationship. Evidence such as joint financial accounts, shared property, photographs, and affidavits from friends and family can help demonstrate this. Now let's talk about the application process. Widows or widowers can typically file Form I-360, which is the petition for Amerasian, widower, or special immigrant. Once this petition is approved, you may be eligible to adjust your status to become a lawful permanent resident, commonly known as getting a green card. During this process, USCIS will carefully review all documentation and interview the applicant to ensure that eligibility requirements are met. One of the major benefits of this process is that it allows the surviving spouse to remain in the U.S. without facing deportation, and it can provide a path to permanent residency and eventually citizenship. However, the process can be complex and emotionally challenging, which is why legal guidance from an experienced immigration attorney can make a huge difference. Finally, it's important to understand that widows or widowers are also subject to the same security and background checks as other immigration applicants. Patience and careful attention to detail are critical. Keeping thorough records, staying organized, and submitting all required documentation will improve your chances of a smooth process. Navigating immigration after losing a spouse is never easy, but knowing your rights and understanding the process can help you move forward with confidence and security.